Hello, and what is up, YouTube? In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to apply and slightly edit the fade-in effect on Final Cut Pro. So, in order to add the fade-in effect, first we will select our audio clip or video clip that contains audio, and then we will select Modify, and go to Adjust Audio Fades, and click Apply Fades. But before we do that, I want to show you what this sounds like just right now with no fade in.
Hello.
Now you see, I mean, it's not terrible. It could be worse, but it could also be a lot better. And then that ending just hurts. Just stops. So we'll go back to Modify, Adjust Audio Fades, and then select Apply Fades. Now, if we zoom in to our clip, you'll see this little dot. There's also one on the far right. This is how we adjust the fade. So, right now, I think it was about there. If we press play,
Hello.
you'll notice that it definitely did fade in, but it could be nicer. So let's move it further to the right, and then press play.
Hello. What is up, YouTube?
See, that was much nicer. And now if we go all the way to the end of our audio clip, this will also probably just sound good. Or not. For whatever reason, that little dot is all the way to the back, which is probably not going to sound fantastic. And I was correct. I'll replay that again. Apologies for having to max out my volume. Like you can see that there is a fade, but it's not long enough. So we will grab this little dot and just move it further back. Now, that should be enough. Now, you can kind of see right around that area that the line starts to fade. That was much better. And this little line that you see shows you where the fade is really starting to take effect. You can kind of see it fading out on its own. But it doesn't really, in my opinion, it doesn't really match what you actually hear. To me, that didn't really match. Because you did have this fade, then it comes back up, which you can kind of see, but then it did have a fade at the end. So, what can we do with this? Well, we can, well, it's not a right click on a Mac. Mac equivalent of right click, so a 2-finger click. We can set this to be a linear S-curve. Standard is plus 3 decibels, or minus 3 decibels. So how does that affect it? Well, as you can see, it makes it louder. Surprise, surprise. What about linear? Honestly, I kind of like linear more. It feels like it doesn't just increase in volume and then decrease again. However, there is another. The mighty S-curve. Everyone's favorite kind of curve. This, my friends, is my favorite type of curve for this. Now you can kind of see that before, when we were moving that little dot, that this was kind of getting darker and then getting brighter, getting darker, brighter. Now it's kind of just slowly darker. And I believe that fits the fade much more. Alright guys, well, that was a quick tutorial on how to add a fade effect into Final Cut Pro with some minor ways of editing it. So, thank you all for your time, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.